This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. Today, we'll learn how to install the Catenis Flow palette into Node-RED. If you don't have Node-RED installed, visit this link. Then come back to this video. If you are running Node-RED locally on your Mac or PC, first, open your terminal and launch Node-RED. Copy the server address and paste it into your browser. Click on the drop-down menu and click Manage Palette. Click the Install tab, search for Catenis Flow, then click Install. Once the palette is installed, you'll see a confirmation message listing the Catenis Flow nodes. Now, close the Manage Palette panel and scroll down the left navbar to see the Catenis Flow nodes that you just installed. Node-RED will indicate the number of Catenis Flow nodes that have been installed. However, you'll see one less Catenis Flow node on the left navigation bar. For example, if Node-RED indicates that 30 Catenis Flow nodes have been installed, you will only see 29 Catenis Flow nodes on the left navigation bar. That's because one of the nodes is a special type of node called a configuration node, which is used to hold your virtual device credentials and cannot be dragged into the Node-RED workspace. Once installed, you are all set to configure your first virtual device on Catenis Flow and test connectivity. Be sure to check out our next video, where you'll learn how to use Catenis Flow nodes.